Hey guys, and welcome to Math Channel. We have 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 times 5. Okay, 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. And now 5 times 5 gives us 25. Now 1 divided by 25 gives us 1 over 25. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this expression in this way: first parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. According to this rule, we have one division here, and one multiplication here. And as we know, multiplication and division are equally important, so we have to solve this expression from left to right. Now, 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. Now, 1 divided by 5 gives us 1 over 5. And we have times 5. In this expression, we can simplify this expression. 5 divided by 5 gives us 1, and 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. Now we have 1 times 1 in, and 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 1 over 1 gives us 1. The final answer is 1. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.